Look what I got. We helped our friends move and they were giving this away. It's exactly what I needed. Perfect. There are so many mosquitoes. It's a Sunday right now, and I'm thinking I'm going to use my time to finish that pile and then see if I have more time, see if there's anything else that could use being cut down if I can get to that point. I might get distracted and go do something else, but anyway, my goal is that pile right there. Okay, I'm done, I think. Super muggy right now, but there's the new pile right there. And right there is where all the big pieces of wood were. I cut off every single little branch that was small and put it here. Including grapevine roots that I just ripped out from across there. Yeah, and then I have that pile, which is a lot bigger, and then I put all the ones that I cut over here. Can't put that through the machine, so not today. Now that's what I call lush, but it's violets and other weeds, and then salvia, monarda, the hibiscus. Just posted the video about trimming this one. Wow, it grew a lot. And then, oh, this looks really good. It always looks kind of limp. That's the Stokes aster. And then that's the daisy, Snow White. And then lavender. What is that? A weed. Black Tower Elder. It's so happy. I didn't plant that, but I'm leaving it so that the bunnies will eat it instead of other things. Something feather. I didn't plant that. Little baby hosta. Those are the tulips. They still look nice. I don't know why I'm losing my voice. Strawberry leaves. And then there's the mother strawberry. Salvia. That's a weed. There's supposed to be a summer love clematis, but I don't think it made it. Got the crow from Grandpa, and that's Gianna's bird bath. Sherry's irises. Crystal's monarda. My mom's lock orange. Yeah. Got a helper doing the edging for us. It's a girl. Whoa, shoot.
What is?
The
laying its egg right now. Ugh. Pure fornication.
Okay, so it's like a day after we got the peach, and there's no more peaches except that one. It's a peach that fell right there, and these are really enjoying it, even though it's super gross. But there's also some down there. There's one right there. There's some over there. Kind of a bummer. Next year we'll have this processed down a little better. This is the globe thistle. Seed heads just coming off. Look how cute those are. They're the seed pods from the clematis. Fall gold raspberry is at it again. Best raspberry you'll ever taste. I'm sitting under this grass and I want to plant this twilight primrose. I think here. But it's not looking good even though it just rained. But the stems are still green. I'm just going to plant it. This one, same. We'll see. There's a bunny watching me right there. Right there. Hydrangea is blooming. How cute. Okay, so I'm walking down our path. It's definitely fall. But look at this. What? Look how cute it is. I'm gonna guess not edible. Here's more. In a pinch, I would eat these. Not saying you should. Probably not edible. Poison ivy is red. So pretty. JK, that's not poison ivy. That is Virginia creeper. That's poison ivy. All of this. Let's see, it mixes with the Virginia creeper, so it's confusing. I hope that's softwood turning into hardwood. Some of these are getting longer. There's the Hudson. There's a little fly. Look how cute the pine cones are. Weeping Blue Alaskan Cedar, I think. Here's the sugar maple and a plane, sorry. Leaves are turning. I was expecting them to be red. So hopefully we got what we thought we got. The lungworts are doing well. Here's the Brunnera. These were the flowers. And the leaves start out small in the beginning of the season like this. And then they end up looking like that. This looks good. Porcupine grass. This area still looks good. I planted it right before I left for Cali. The miscanthus that I planted here finally has flowers. I've had it since 2017. I finally moved it in a full sun area and it's way happier. This is the Graziella miscanthus flower. I love it, it's so wispy. Look at that, there's this little Japanese silvergrass, very similar flower. It's like a tan with red seeds. The flowers pop up higher than the clump itself. And here's the porcupine grass, similar flower to the Japanese silver grass. I forget the name, but it looks like zebra grass. This is 3 clumps. I'm starting to think that the reason why this isn't doing well on this one side, right now it's lit by the sun, but is maybe because of these branches. Maybe it doesn't like them hovering. I don't know. Hey, Ella. You enjoying the autumn? So here we have a salvia. It's kind of obvious what needs to come off. You just follow the stem all the way down and take your pruners and cut. And just keep doing that. Cut all the way down or above a set of new leaves. Start out some new leaves down deep in there. Little ones for next year. There. But none growing off of these spent stems. Seems kind of nice. So just keep doing that. And you're done. And they're evergreen in our zone 6A. So they'll stay green throughout the winter. But they'll still grow new leaves next year. There we go. If you want to, you can just clean it up by pulling out all the dead leaves. But really, you could leave it and it makes a nice mulch. If you pull out a few bulbs, it's no problem. You can just plant them somewhere else. They spread profusely, so these are plantable. Hi, Rosie. What are you doing? You love the vent, huh? Hi, Stella. Here's the geese. Hi. Oh, go to the other side.